Do you need a tensioner for your drive? Check our e-store, order stock tensioners, or use our tensioner configurator. Go to york-ind.com. Click on Timing Belt Tensioners. Choose the type of your desired tensioner and buy online. Stock tensioners ship within 1 working week. If you need a custom tensioner, click on Tensioner Configurator. Depending on your specification, choose values fitting your project. Our tensioners are patent pending and meet RoHS and REACH compliance. Once you have chosen the specification, fill the form and send the message for quick turnaround quote. Thank you for the attention. York Industries. Over 80 years of quality manufacturing.